Hi, just want to show you how easy it is to generate customer notifications or delivery notifications in Voila. On here you can see if you go to the left hand tab, click on notifications, it'll bring you into this space, and you've got on the top, you've got notifications, you've got email templates, email settings and history. Go to email settings. The first thing we want to do is create an account. We've got 3 different account providers that you can utilize to send your own emails out from. We've got Mailgun, Amazon and SendGrid. To add a Mailgun account, you simply create an account, add the name of your account, get your Mailgun API, your domain and your API base URL. At that point you can save account details. And that is set up and ready to start sending your emails out. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start wanting to create my email templates. Here are some email templates I've already got, but let's just see how easy it is to build it. What we can do here is we can drag and drop elements and then add new elements to it. If I wanted to add a container, for example, I can put in an image in here and I can say I want to add a logo. I can change the size of that logo, and actually I want that to replace, move that into here, and let's remove that one. There we go. I might want to add a banner image here. Again, as simple as adding, finding my image, there we go. I'm not so sure on that writing, so I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to make this bold to pop it. Again, I can change my fonts. Can pull through my product images if I've got product images against it that I want to include it and pull through any product information. And then let's change this track, my shipment buttons. I'm going to replace that and keep that in line with branding. So I'm just going to add a button in here, change the image size, and then now when people click that, will take them straight to my Voila tracking page that people can then log into and track their order. That looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm now going to save that. Great. Let's come out of that, return to templates, and then I'm going to go into my notifications and I want to create a notification. Let's create a collection notification. I can select my API account and I can select my courier, and then I can also add an account number or select it by shipment channel if I prefer. And then on here I've got the ability to add tracking statuses. On the tracking statuses I can say I want to create a notification on collection, and then I can change my subject line, your order has been collected as an example. I can then add my mail account, so in this instance with Dispatch Cloud, which has got my sender name and my sender email, and I'm sending it to the receiver's email against the order. Last thing I need to do is add the email template that I've already created, and now I can create my notification. Great. And now that email I can just need to change my status to active, and then whenever an order is collected against my account, that order is going to trigger a notification to my customer to say that item has been collected with a tracking button. Any questions, feel free to let me know.